My name is Jennifer, and my family has been on the gluten-free diet since 2003. It was then that 2 of my 3 children were diagnosed with celiac disease. At the time, there were few resources and virtually no good food options for those on a wheat-free diet. So I got to work, determined to provide my family with the same flavorful, varied meals and delicious baked goods they had become accustomed to eating before the diagnosis. The result was the complete book of gluten-free cooking in 2006 and then Gluten-Free Deliciously in 2009. I also spent the next 7 years traveling to teach gluten-free cooking classes. My 3 children are now all adults, and 2 of them convinced me to share my recipes on a YouTube channel. This is quite an endeavor and we're learning a lot as we go, but I hope I can help you and your family on your gluten-free journey. I have hundreds of recipes to share, many that were developed after my books were published, so hit the subscribe button to receive recipes weekly.